What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be reading your private Gmail emails right now? Your passwords, personal photos, and confidential conversations might not be as private as you think. In today's digital world, AI tools promise convenience and productivity. But some of them gain access to your Gmail, and that could put your privacy at risk. In this video, I'll show you how to remove them before it's too late. Many AI apps request permission to read, compose, and manage your emails. While some are legitimate, others collect sensitive data for training or analytics. This can expose your personal information, financial details, and private conversations. If you've ever connected an AI tool to your Gmail, your data may already be accessible. The good news? You can revoke access in less than a minute. Step-by-step guide. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Gmail account you want to secure. Scroll down and select third-party apps with account access. Review the list carefully. Look for any unfamiliar AI tools or apps connected to your Gmail. Click on the suspicious app. Tap Remove Access, then Confirm. That's it. Your Gmail is now safer and under your control. Don't ignore this. If you don't remove suspicious access today, your private emails could be exposed without your knowledge. Take action now, before it's too late. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech safety tips, and share this with someone who values their privacy.